Hello everyone out there on the World Wide Web. Rich Elias here again, certified financial planner and owner-broker of CAPVEST Realty, a specialized investment property management firm here in Austin, Texas. What I want to share with you today, get your brain thinking about this, is as of this shooting, time is of essence. In a few days, effective April 1st, the city of Austin mandates that residential structures with gas or fuel burning appliances are required to have and maintain carbon monoxide detectors. This can be an expense. This can involve money and steps to take care of this. Again, this is a mandated city ordinance, but we can help you. We want to, of course, minimize long-term expenses, but also make sure your property are safe, code compliant, and this is what we do for our clientele. If you have any questions about your specific property, how this ordinance affects you, how it affects you as a landlord, we can help. Appreciate you making it this far in the video. If we've touched on a topic that's informative, you found productive, we appreciate you watching. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, here on YouTube and social media. But if you have a question of how we can serve, please give us a call at 512-410-5130. Email us at info@capvestrealty.com. And I hope this has been informative, and we want you to have a great week. Thanks.